Hi guys, we're here with Totally Aurora for a totally awesome YouTube channel, and she's going to do the totally impossible monkey bar challenge. Are you ready, Aurora?
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything to your listeners or your watchers? No? Okay, don't forget to click and like, subscribe, leave your comments down below. Off we go. Easy peasy with the first monkey bar challenge. Oh, putting in some gymnastics there. She's still got to make it to the end though to beat this challenge.
She's got this in the bag. Shut up, Louie. I did it!
Yeah, well done.
I will try this.
What do you have to say to your fans?
Don't know. Would you like to watch my brother do it?
Answer in the comments down below.